This is the latest and biggest move of YouTube right now. So stay tuned to know further. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, the hype for the short form content, which is like basically below than 1 minute kind of video. So there is like on one hand there is like reels of on Instagram and the TikTok, and the other hand YouTube was so quiet and spying their competitors. And bang on, they launched on March 18, 2020. They launched the YouTube Shorts, or like greatest creators tools for all of the creators, which is called YouTube Shorts. And it's reported that YouTube has successfully generated more than like 6.5 billions of views per day, which it used to be like 3.5 or somewhere around, and never to forget that it's increasing day by day. So why I am ranting all of this, that you guys probably know it already. But hold on guys, I have read the news which was published few hours ago, and it is one of the biggest update and the big move on YouTube right now. The biggest news is YouTube is betting on $100 million on TikTok and Instagram. So which means $100 million will be distributed to the YouTube short creators over the course of 2021 and 2022. So I am also experimenting on these YouTube shorts recently. So you guys have also time. So start creating YouTube shorts. So you might be questioning how it all works. So you don't have to apply for the YouTube shorts funds, nor you have to be partner on YouTube any kind of programs. Instead, YouTube will reach out to those creators who have maximum number of likes, views, and engagements, and basically reward them and ask for the feedbacks how they can improve YouTube shorts further. So the second update is that YouTube Shorts has increased the max duration from 15 seconds to 60 seconds, which is basically 1 minute, and there is like more chance of explaining your thoughts and showcasing your skills. So isn't this so cool updates that we have finally a ray of hope to get on from our creations. Also, to never forget that they can always come up with new features, new updates, and new rules, because they are in this experimenting phase. So keep on creating shorts, because our work won't be wasted. Since it's still the new feature and new update on YouTube, so keep on creating shorts, because your YouTube shorts can anytime get boosted by YouTube. So yeah guys, that's the newest update of YouTube that you can possibly hear from others and YouTube themselves. And also, if you want to learn how to create YouTube shorts and how to enable this create shorts feature on your country, if it's not enabled yet, then let me know. I can solve those problems. And also let me know your views on this newest update, what you guys think, and I would love to hear that.